python. Don't want to go close to it. It's dead, but good morning, everyone. I just got up and then I walked to the chicken. Walked to the grass cutter where he cut the grass yesterday. And then this morning I went to the chicken and I just saw some blood. And then I thought, what was going on here? And then I counted the chicken. There's only 8 left. And then I asked the grass cutter, what's going on? And he pointed to that big massive python that my dad just killed. So it had like chicken in his tummy. His dog was barking at it. So yeah, not a good day for this today. So I'm just gonna show my son what does it look like. Tại là ai cao? Muốn chạy rồi đứa ní bỏng tíเลยbỏ ní. He reckons it's dead but it's still moving. Tao nữa. Mà để đấy quá. Xíu bị tại ní. He reckons it's everywhere because we're close to the water. That is the python. Don't want to go close to it. It's dead, but I don't really. You gonna come closer, Jacob? It's dead. It's still moving a bit, but his head is all mushed up. So it's no way that he's going to survive this. He reckons there's a lot more because we cut the grass yesterday. So I think they can smell the chicken or something. He said be prepared because there'll be a lot more coming. Because they know where it is now. Shame. Oh well, that's what you have to live with, you know. You have pests and you just have to deal with it. In this case, we're not like animal cruelty or anything, but we gotta survive. We're not killing it for any other reason than protecting our property and our animals. So it's not like we're torturing the animal if someone's gonna go down that route. Anyway. So the snake is gone. My dad has buried it somewhere. I'm not sure where it is. But yeah, I'm really put me off that snake as really scary. But our grass cutter nearly finished his job. Nearly done. So hopefully there's no more snake coming around. If there is, I'm gonna have to put like fishing net all around the chicken coop. So yeah, it's bad because our land is like right next to the water. So the snake come with the flood, and then when the flood is gone, they stay and they live here. You know, it's everywhere. It's not just our house. So it's crazy. We only got 8 chicken left now. And I think this is the way that the snake has got in, is this way here, where the thing has gone down, the net. Shame, really is a shame.